Should we do Doorbell Chud next? Can you leave my house, please? You open the door, please. This is my neighborhood, though. My name is Manta, motherfucker! Open the door! Do you understand me? That's the right welcome. Welcome, bro. Let's watch this together. Can you leave my house, please? You open the door, please. You have nothing to do in the house. Can you leave my house? You know what my name is? I don't know who you are. You don't belong in this neighborhood. That's a... This is my neighborhood. Gee, yeah, I live there. I don't know you. My name is Manta, motherfucker! Fuck, dude. No! I'm a fucking edgy! Could you understand me? Jesus fucking Christ, cold exorcist, holy fuck! Oh my god. Should start cussing in different languages. Shibal, que es aquí? Scheiße. Tu madre. Sika, holy fuck. Killing my throat for content.